Aisha from Canada, Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaykum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Ya Aish, how old are you?
6.
6 years old, MashaAllah. You know, by now you are the youngest viewers I've ever called on Ask Huda, MashaAllah. So what do you have in mind, Aish?
If you're watching television in your phone, when the azan comes, should you still be watching television in your phone?
Okay, thank you, Aisha. Little Aisha, MashaAllah. You know, Aisha, hearing the adhan, listening to it, and repeating after the mu'adhin has a huge reward. And that's why one should pause anything that he or she is doing, even if you're reading Quran, fold the mushaf and listen to the adhan and repeat after the mu'adhin. That is even better than reading the Quran during this time. So if this is the case, then of course, when you hear the adhan, you should turn off the TV or whatever you're doing and listen to the adhan. That is best for you. Thank you, Aisha from Canada. MashaAllah. May Allah bless you and your family.